Um, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa ta'ala wa barakatuh, guys. Allah baraka bake atul maliyalon ko atul kataram fejang. Naradron, just to give you a quick update about Hakalan Road, because there's a video me alon ko nasia. Maybe dolbe will the video ni ta fahamla. So we are tina ko prunsunana janka quick update there about the video ni. Because they are always sharing, but as far as we're here and we can respond to all critics, because ndolu amanka kome misali fe na silo la walang prukata ka silo nyinta ka jibe kala downfall ta ke jibe ke tandi Gambia dingula no. The issue is akata nyama wala nyintuko ndolu be voter monitoring la, so be voter monitoring menna natana menke wala nyintuko ntata Opanyomi, Kavindara Opanyomi, because we have an event there, and meeting soto Siranunku. So Siranunku from Siranunku, Tata Katala Tubakuta. But we have other people, na modul soto Melia Tubakolong, yes, Tubakolong. So na modul soto, Mulia Lonko, will be say Kata Nyomi Lemon. So on the way, Sudoning, because we are giving them drive, I'm the one even driving. So Sudoning saying Betaka na Multa Kanke Dandang. So because Minakata Hakalan Siloning Ibadoku kan, yes, quite true, Ibadoku kan. So but Minakata Siloning literally and the Dokula Watome Amondoko Watola it was Siloni Ibadoku kan just for politics, Pruka Banku Dumulta Kenyaku, Pulia Katra Faye. So Doliajoko Omonya Nakala Kudme Alonko Wallan Nakala Agendati Masake Nimbanku Dumula Katra Faye Enyantaka ila promiso fulfill in the right timely. Naya jibe barome batu for 2021 ay bunjangolo manka mankunda no. Barome batu for 2021 ay jamolo manka mankunda no. Barome batu for 2021 ay development men beke manka mankunda amay batu for 2021 ay bekele because ajele ko akele in the right time me alonko abe mansaya kono. So kamala ne atara baroye banku dingulta ay promise akoyoko mbala silodo kula lale katro fayne 2016 Barona na kanyaka so banku dingola amela silo doku in the right time fatuma ame alon ko tabe sula ni ngol bulu katre ke sola anata kela silo doku, and in fact silo doku ni fala ndo sama ba kono right now pour molu pour access soto o silo ni na pour kata ela hajol ta ke timmandi aka kolya. So dulbita kan all the way to 11 na diversion me alon ko yolo soto je diversion ni kata blar dawon alon ko motol montano je motanani no le traje melal be sakinding be motol nyul be e bukatano. So moto dol fongol in fact what happened wala nyinduko e ka menge e ka jile mo la ka ji moto kono driver nying ay traffic because moto sungul nying ka patile because mega blani be namarin sila santo bukamano duma bukamano. So this is exactly what happened there. Nying anu nyimu samala samanya kilindon la nyinti. So what about what is going to happen milebe kala, let's say in samata da fawara da bake. So namenke wala nyunduko, we call the authorities ne kombe wala kumande kam police hakiltu, and the authority la kumande kam police makholo ka nyomin kola, because look, if you are making politics out of people, if a political kika mola, at least you have to help them, because it's all about politics. Development is development, we all believe that. And kukile meje me alon ko wen nyo ku ya bake nya ye the likes of Dusano nyolo and the others itara je kadafo ka me doctor talam bang something like that kadam doctor design talbo ko ju talbo ko jira bayes talbo ko jira something like that itara hakala ko no kawita hakala ko no be loring diamond alon ko less than 100 meters less than 100 meters ye mana ye comme like for example university lo dogu kan ela force tested. So ye mano la afon comme ngila ye mana jio le bon ka me tulu jandino. Okay, but let's say mana jio la, I mean I don't want to make critics here. Ye mana jio le bon less than 100 meters. So kabiyo mana jio bon et on not ye ka video junta ke tandi Gambia dungul just pour ka Gambia dungul ta ka Gambia dungul filindi. So ndole aje go okay ni atara also keno. It will feel that's a positive thing, which is not, I mean, something may alonko is nothing among a fenty, because a slow dogu, a slow kumas damento, ya mano bon, manandino, less than 100 meters, among, let's say, less than 50 meters even. But Gamma for the Yomi Dulu, audio Kafutia Mala, Yomi Dulu can a video GVL, So now I for level for you doing I mean I now even the members of NPP because not the NPP la mole phone all these days they are crossing Nyomi. So I just want to make it very clear. Diversion me along ko wole be wole be Nyomi lemon. Diversion on kabo tobacco long kata Nyomi lemon. There is a diversion there. Alta jeji before video ning Dolia manipulate them from them. Albajala ko the diversion ni manje doku in the right way. What is going to happen? Wala nyindu ko Nyomi lemon ko lukada fo aljam nung ko wolta silo sot la lukada bara. So this is very clear. Except for Natalie Duma silo soto, eka Duma silo me am be used no. This is the fact. Anung silo nying fana doku ni ya kura fo muntole. It's very important pour mo leo fana long. La famille silo kura le katambi no katambi sikala and all this but berela mom futa sika from as we speaking right now le berela stop ta mundo le berela stop ta jufrele yes and berela stop ta jufrele as we speaking so okay nyindo ko nyi nyanda kala no junale because president baro même fo gambian ko wala nyinto ko my first road sila follow me la ngombe do kula obekala hakala ko konoti so ni atara president baro wala fo nyomi ko we believe ko president baro nyanda ka hakala silo le fo do ku janning abe bunjawol wala ta folo la mangamo kunda pesambaro nyanda ka hakala wala folo doku janning abe jamawol wala mangamo kunda pesambaro so these are some of the things mali alon ko an kawol lefo pour gambe dungul ye moy so man taka video nyunta just to criticize the doku me abake kan we say thank you Mr. President because we understand go doku ni ya commence le etata bannola but UDP government minale and be doku ni babanane that's very simple. Do go into our commerce, it happened Nora, but UDP government will come. And then new UDP government nata, a becato Kajo Puka Doko in Takabang. Because Nyomi Kolu Muna concerned, Nyomi Kolu, we have a strong support in Nyomi, and we will make sure the people of Nyomi they enjoy the UDP government. So whatever development start Nyomi, we're going to accomplish it. Don't worry about that. Likewise, electricity also. We will make sure electricity project of Yakuma, we will try to accomplish it. Don't worry about that. So we are saying thank you for starting it, and then we will complete it. Although you know call you delay, but that's not a problem. That's not a problem. So Najoko is very important. I understand. I have nothing against the construction of the road. The road needs to be constructed. We all understand that because Nyomi is one of the first promising land. Me alonko pesambaro I promise to follow Woleto. And this is quite true. Mo me alonko nim mansaka finti or nim politician ka finta ninjela. Let's say near Barate drong Esa drong start ka Nyomi call promise. So Nyomi promise these are the first promises me alonko they were made by the president. So everybody knows that. All I'm tonyati ankara nyone wala. So my brothers, my NPP folks, we are all brothers, we are all sisters. And in fact, I just want to make this clarification also here. There is an audio me along go circulating. That audio I want to make it very clear. Na audio me along go more than draw kang. I mean, see do nenkang. I mean, this is for the I'm not the spokesperson of UDP. Manga UDP la spokesperson. But all I am, but I'm a member of the media and UDP. But some for all in the go, Kumakang me along among UDP call Bulokono. Kumakang me along among for UDP la platform motor. And we have to understand this. Moment see UDP la platform motor, can you Kumakan Javo, can you then the Javol tak have a Sioli? And another, for example, Molia for in the UDP platform, Kamol and Siolto. UDP being a responsible political party, be press conference against the person. But what we want to make it very clear here, I will need to go. May I long the person in Mafoko Amaka UDP, because I don't know the person, my identity long. So, but all what I can say is all need to go. Allow them to me about Kekan is not doing it on behalf of UDP, is not doing it on behalf of anyone, is doing it on behalf of himself personally. I don't know. And when left the Gambian call you understand, UDP is not coming out to make any press release concerning that audio, because the audio is not affiliated with UDP. And I want everybody to understand that the guy may along identity among UDP platform motor, but Fat Jan may along will UDP Alpha Ben and Fat Jan. I see the cause of this person can then drawing, can we understand that? But Fat Jan, I have a UDP, I have NPP la forum molto. I have NPP la forum Jumala, NPP forward Gambia. Fat Jan, I can use ay UDP ngol alfal be na woloto ay Gambia alfal be na woloto ay Mandinka alfal be na woloto NPP la platform moto NPP National Puntum Paltam Party MPP la platform moto Fal Judge me ya lonko you deport them from Kuwait and after Batari everybody help her because she is not into politics, she is only here to help people. Now she is back to politics and insulting our parents, insulting an entire tribe, insulting an entire political party, one of the biggest political party in this country. Farjan, she's the one doing that. I mean, left the Gambian Koliola farm, but I have a weak platform modo. Farjan yak NPP la platform modo. I see the NPP la platform modo. Commanding call name. I see the NPP la platform modo. Can you even call Ben? And we have not seen the NPP Findika condemn Gambian call left Haliola farm. Farjan wole nendiro kumas, nendiro kumas ka bebe keri. Farjan la start. But Farjan may alongo where I start Gambian call left I understand. I have NPP la platform moto, NPP la platform moto ake wolto. NPP forward Gambia I have wolto ila platform moto. But we have not seen a single even a one line sentence NPP find to condemn Farjan. We understand some of their spokespersons ila diamla dolu wole condemn and we all believe that. But we believe such kind of narrative, such kind of diamo. If somebody did it in a political platform, in the name of a platform is carrying the name of your party, being a responsible party, you have to come out clearly and condemn such kind of verbatim. So what I think I mean, this is Kyome along and throwing a matter on behalf of UDP, and UDP is condemning it. You understand? We are not encouraging any tribal insult. We are not encouraging any tribal bigotry. All what UDP is saying, we are looking for unification. United Democratic Party. You know, I mean, we have to be united. Kanyomuda, Kanakinyola, Ka democracy, Ka Fansoto Sabat in the Bangkok, but Fansoto Yang Anum Kuluo Kono, UDP la Sato Muerte. Kam Fansoto, Anum Kuluo Kono, UDP la Sato. So Gambians, comrades, everyone, I just want everybody to understand this. This is not from UDP, and the UDP being a responsible political party, we are not coming out to make any press release. Let nobody more can I expect from, because the audio is not from UDP, any of the executive members. The audio is from a person it's not known to us. Even and whoever is trying to do such, for example, if you do it, you think you are spoiling the name of UDP. No, you are not spoiling the name of UDP. You are spoiling your own self. Because that is going to remain in your history. That's going to remain in your character. So let us stop insulting. Let us stop insulting, because these audios, whatever we are making in social media, is going to remain there. Our sons, our daughters, our granddaughters will always see whatever we put in social media. Will never member social media. So we are kafanya for social media na fatala, ka banandro ko social media na fatala, ka nendro ko social media na fatala, niaki ake fong tinya. So I am appealing to my comrades. I'm appealing to anybody you are a supporter of the United Democratic Party. Please, distance yourself from tribal insult. Distance yourself from any kind of insult, any form of insult. Let's respect each other. Let us make sure. Let us be tolerant. UDP is a party for all, a party for Saragule, a party for Jola, a party for Mandinko, a party for Fula, a party for any tribe in this country. Any tribe in this country, you are part of UDP, and you are 100% welcome to UDP. We are not promoting any tribal bigotry. We are not promoting any tribalism here. All what we are saying, love your tribe, love your people, love your culture, but do not hate other people's culture, and do not try to caricature other people's culture. Do not try to caricature other people's party or whatever. But what is more important here, let's respect each other. Let's make sure there is harmony between us. Let's make sure that we control our narratives. Whatever is been displayed in social media will always remain in social media. And that is not good for ourselves. That's not good for the future, our future generations. Because these things, or whatever insult we are doing remains in social media. It goes to YouTube, it goes to Facebook, it goes to Twitter, it goes to many platforms. Whatever we're using to have information. So I am appealing to my entire communities. Anybody who do make speech in Facebook or in WhatsApp or in whatever, Please, I am appealing to you. Let's desist ourselves from tribal insult. Let's desist ourselves from entire insult. Insult is not a good character. Nobody should encourage it. I am appealing to every one of us. Let us have decent politics. We are winning. I swear, wallahi, we are winning. We are winning. We are winning. Right now, as I'm speaking, right now. But I am not. Look, you know me. I will never deceive anybody. The dimension of the politics is what exactly I am informing all of you people. I am telling you how politics is in this country. Please, guys, please, let's stop insulting each other. Let's have, let's create, love among us. Look, wherever I met with the people of NPP, I interact with them because they are never my enemy. They are only my opponent. They are my political opponent. When it comes in time of politics, I will stand and defend my party. I will not look at their eyes on that. But whenever we meet, we are friends. Whenever we meet, we are relatives. You understand? And that thing we have to remain, we have to make sure that remain between us. You understand? Because on the 4th of December, the victory will come. And the victory is ours. The victory is United Democratic Party. Inshallah, everywhere we go, everybody say UDP. Even the kids are saying UDP. Everyone is saying UDP. So why should we not say UDP? So on the 4th of December, you will all the results. On the 4th of December, the result is going to be the 4th president of the Republic of the Gambia, Alhaji Ousainou Numukunda Dabo. My guys, come so please, let us calm down. Allah Baraka Bake. I am so happy that we still have some other people here. But I feel it as a concern because they are more Bake, and I feel it as a concern. Let me just come out and then voice fight. Everything is going well. Feeling be monitoring as we are speaking, we are in Makati. Be monitoring everything is going fine. Be mulbe register kande. Although dual be jikam bakele. Hotspots, so let's say Jakavida Medo, Jembe hotspots. Jambela hotspot will be they are all spoiled. Diamond registration manual keje. They are all spoiled because Nyajibe. If you look at, for example, some of the results, for example, like the place of Kera Aldonol Sifal Malayalongo, Sukusina Benun Jikring or Dulalela, Uldolbe, they can have their attackers. Places, let's say, for example, if it comes to Makari Janyambure, we'll find a yellow registration on Yumbande. But Nyaji, the total role at Makari Janyambure is low. Makari Janyambure in the past, it can Soto. Now they cannot have that. Why? They cannot have that one is because there was some fraud coming fraud alhamdulillah, all those things are not happening now. So because of all those things are not happening now, so you can understand that things are okay. We have already controlled the narratives. Alhamdulillah, now control we are saying special thanks to all our agents. In the agent will be Albeha Baraka Bake, Albeha Kata Bakele. Every one of us, Mobi La Kata, Motojam Mea Longa Amakata, everybody try. And whatever try, let us keep doing that. Because, for example, Nyajibe, this is about politics. You will win. Inshallah, you will win. So let's say, for example, Nyajibe, Janyambure, last election in Janyambure, Niela Fongo Jibe, Makali Janyambure. It was 1,980. 1,980. But this time they are close. They have about 1,500 plus. So this means that Makali Janyambure they drop because of Melaka control Menkata. We said no to foreign registration, no to minor registration. Walatina Nala Jibe. Let's say a place like Makali Janyambure ila voting a drop tale drastically. And there are a lot of places Malayalam ila voting a drop tale because now understand the Fananko ICA Pulo from La Fale, but that doesn't mean ko gan Malayalam came for this hotspot solo. Malayalam came for them will blaja balleti because I Jamaica Kukurum Balako. I'm very sorry to say this if I want anybody, but that is the fact. So guys, we're winning. The win connect registration is going on. Our people are getting their registration. Try to call your friends, call your family. Let them make sure they secure a vote. This is very important. So good. But let me just come and spend a little time with you guys to give you some of the updates. But many places even in Esau. Even in Esau, Esau from we can mention they cannot have it now. Esau A, it already is closed. Or for now, ila fungonyin dropped and they cannot have their target. A man time you know even ila last voter rolling a month for the Noama. So you go and then mul register a number phone. So go there was a lot of fraud, you know, in some of all these places. But this time I'm on work now because everybody start on fit chang. So all those places also and then not only those places, let's say Keraldo Fanang, the same thing, Keraldo Fanang, yes, still they were having 1,200 plus. Now they are struggling to have even 700. They are struggling to have even 700. So there are a lot of places they have such later inshallah the objective dilala exactly has it is but mbaflale ko ala baraka is obore aka bayo sonko nara jam fanan ko tan kin sudan ka objective diala diamolem akolyatale natra na mumro ni offense police ya hako boynya. That's never us or man can to la intentionality, and that will never be our intention. All what we have in our heart is to help our people, is to inform our people with positive informations. We give our time, we give our energy, we give our resources to make sure we inform our people positive informations. So that's a fact. Yeah, yes, do ko bit kekan na among comment document kekan document among comment document kekan do ko be kekan but member you will need to go do ko nya nyanta kala wato mena manke wala. So this time ba kekan wato mena teng e be banku dungul deceive kan e be banku dungul right sis kan e be communication ko lan kan banku dungul lama. So all these things are very important things. Left to put your notes for President. I understand. So I have my brother here. Dudu Kasajata. I believe we just want to have about 1 or 2 minutes, few words. I left to go. I just not here is my comrade. My granddaddy Dudu Kasajata is Mama Mudufo from uncle.
Grandpa.
My grandpa, okay, so I give you my grandpa, yes.
Yeah, Allah barka bakir. I mean for all of Tonyati, Ntolbuka mo, Ntolbuka criticism ke on political base, Ntolbuka criticism ke Tonyale kan reality on the ground. Ntoltata hakalan silola ka na more dandang miyanonko, fonsa dandang bao atebe ni mol kono mi alon ko e mo saba ni dandang nata motol je bebe pan kam grade tul be boiler silo be ya be ke pot mu ko kensolti silo foni be silo dara good road e nyanta silo ay mezol tala silo nyanta do kula nyami tubab do e ka silo do ko sno ka jile sanju sama kanaje but silo wo bukatan tinna silo stop jang wo sama fon manna sama min nata silo pepe banku mu ko kensom ya debu wo risaje ko e man tata do ko lebe do ko kan pour ka politico affaire osiata dunia moite min kelano kana mol tikindi oye mol lahidin barona man sakunda to nata pour ka mol lahidin e man tara do kula e ko ibajela ko nyomin kol wol ibajela ko kawol nene and wote kelano nin sirf sonko kamemfo sirfo sonko kamemfo untol UDP is a serious party. And what the malice in Banco Bondino about is a concern. Dolmo monitoring team leti kaje ko Banco Dimoli Nyanto. Wole Nyanta ni karte safe kaito ka soto. Itolle Nyanta sotola. Itollo molti min Nyanta karte sotola ka karte fay ka design e Nyanta min sindila. Andung Gambe dungol altol le Nyanta karte sotola. Ndolbe wol silo le kan. Nata programme soto. Wokono kaje ko Gambia na bo siri na sobea na patiol timi sobeata mingbe kelo ke kan kabrim bi mansi sanji mwandi worola be kelo la andung nimmaje anyanta danna anyanta banna dol ke ndahala andung moti mone ne la sain mbota batarinde kolea be keri banko la hidol be dikan ntele nyinke ntol tambita wala la ba mol karte fayo sita imam minke no sanji saba sanji isi folo ite man nyanne da kala karte ko fonto ba a transitional government ite nyanta trial le yidu koke barbaro fon la fon batandi a fon la fon batandi ba ate man nyanna lola mole carte fay wato le kan pour yidu koke ate nay man sakunda man tara do kola ibe mole kodol yemandila ibe mole kodol sunyala ibe mole kodol tapale yala ibe mole kenol be wafila ibe mole nimman sakunda julmu nyul da kredi ibe mo kurun sun kanyawol sun balu ibe na banko na fulo tinyana ni karte ni wato lete koybe do kokela ibe mol dikindi la kafe ko alsenso fo sanditan momen ka fom abed akoyata mi atiyata mi be tarra janne for 2021 ay tarra janne for 2021 bari akuru yani fere kurun ka mol transport ka mol traffic for registration voters human trafficking ibola for registration voters ibola barona man sakunda ibe kuruya minna sun kanyawol lo moyti mo batarngol lo moyti andum ba jela ko wo kuruya min be kere kuno na wo sifaleje min tambita sayin ba jela ko ntol gambe dingol mbe lon kan minti pour UDP na tonya fasa na keloke ndimuli Gambia Bay mamaringoli ani Gambia fonwe bawo kole akol min bekeri a serious government ning barowol mu serious government le ye concern nyante kala minti Gambia dungol be bata min kono sama be keri iman sama jorong tayadi molla ite condition la kaje ko ite lafta kartela ya jamme ka tractlo na fe janne aka talan e pia sin kol tembo ka di sefol na osi falle je koten ke baro fanan kana ta tractlo le fe ye mole ko do sunya tata don torola Gambe dungol le bina o jola nko ntol tambitale pour mole Gambe no lele ntol a serious government be mole nyanto minti be wala di lela ni nata agricultural sector be sama do kula be makola ila fina fon isula fon mu fon fenti mbodi lela ni tourism sector mbe tourism ye bunda yirwandela ka Gambia wafi pour ye nyanto minti tubabol amofingo arablom a brownies rolom bak ipe na nyim banko kan ye munafa na fe nyim banko kan pour banko ye munafang do koeke mol se munafang mimbe soto tourism sector molsa ni education sector mbe funding kel mbe karang bunda yirwandila mole karang ye karang free education scholarship mole nyanto minti pour londo fanala yo fanan soto health sector mbe lotanol do kula mbe health care central lola na lotanol upgrade dorol to borol to we jaral bunda sangol be lafta minna woseke at a standard do fanan kala mansa kunda katama tende youth empowerment funding kelly ye karandi ye doku bunda yirwandi ye dokoke it's a fanna dolke mansa ika plano leke ye development oko ale dokoke moli al sindi minkam barnite ko albe fongol le sunyala albe banko na flo be sunyala ba kasara aliake nepotism tribalism untol woman sakunda sifa untol te wotala bawo untol le leader follow wel mom luwa tiolti ay luwa bunya akon patio mol beko alse luwa bunya rule of law aning alse katakol ke ale horomo soto ale bunya soto ale dokoke anay man sakunda be dokoke la because it will be a serious government leti pour mole nyanto menti moli sindi min kam ikawole foloke you concentrate ibe concentrate la le dokoke fanna bela banko ni moli adila mol sula ko minti kawole ke woto fanna jayo anin ka mol ne kumuf fe ntolte tarawla lawyer Useno no mukunda dabo wo meta kelo ke kan nyimban ko kanne anu abe kelo kala fo janning nyimban ko be dilala abe kelo le kala ay kelo ke fo Gambia lafta minna asine da mante o manke UDP nenete dahala ntol natal ka Gambia fasa ka Gambia bondi abe marolo min kono maral kurum mara jaw mole manan kumo isa soto ilaftala nyami mbadi ngolo ntol nenete dahala UDP struggle continue baro Gambia dingol mokana quartier di barola barona e man sakunda ibe mudir mollet ibe sunyar wala left and right and center ibe kuruyala iye mole kenol be wafi alta kairaba Senegambian road was mason be ya be wafi local government minister Musa Drame ye bar Musa Drame le Gambe non mone Musa Drame be mole kenol be wafir barona man sakunda aba baro busu dango dila ibe mole kenol sunyala ibe mole keno tapalaya ntole keno fanam mimbe bakaw iko dembo bojang aning local government minister ibe mole keno tala iba partasla iba sunyala ibe tapalaya kala wote kala ntole keno itatala mbe nyole fala bari mol tammente itatala ka nakare imam min sotono kunum ikoy kawta absolute power government of Makey luma neex ma def wote kala jam we not going to accept it mbe wolay la na ya jamme bondi welcome itol fanan koy be o silo le tala be o silo le walanda nko baro nimu gambe dingo karte fayo mimba nino kan e gambe dingol doroye dake nin karte nino janning 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock par exemple una kula sa ba hanu be nin karte nino mbe min naten mbe buute la kumon sa morom duma dinen la duma dinen la do dinen la dangal bawo kan human trafficking can illegal voting legal registration ka minor dindi meron 11 years etema hani e ka fo gambe nol be kom ni hanita IEC is Independent Electoral Commission inyanta toro fela ya fair itol mu rafrele andon gambe dungol lin carte fayo be wol damaltem baron tol nite hani from 8 o'clock to 8:30 mberakula rete bala ate 30 minutes from fila ko gambe dungol te carte fayle gambe dungol malla fila iman sulela ite yemol ni e fon kontibo ye fon tenten ntole mitino ke jaba kunda ite molta NPP tata mitino hani min ka tekla ke tekla musol min ka tekla ke wolle mol siate ite mole mitino min woto baro UDP manke te magnoti UDP manke flonti UDP ni te mo kuma kalantam fon tol meta ko moyla but UDP mo patriotic mi yalonko is a serious party mi yalonko ibe ye concern kaje tino ni to nya tamandi nyimbanko kan kate fayo teli to nya mole kate fay e genuine Gambian nina fay etete hani ma fo 0% .% ibagol soto baro not 0% ni o soto from kuliata but .% oto gambenul albale quartier di la molla min jarta UDP le jarta UDP le be kelo kelale UDP le bal bonde la batakon UDP le bal bonde la mone kono ani timina ani mantoro mimbe la reng albekam amusu kafke dinin keba mba fola liko ala baraka annal badi malum dudu kasa jata aning sirifo sonko mbe obdedo dol kalale jannim mbe nying voter monitoring mba banda ala barka bye bye alman be wuli ko la khaira I'm done. Nah,
thank you guys. Thank you midna jang so kuta sino yante sino la wette ala barka thank you.